Bananas turn black overnight. Fruit shop owner top secret preservation method. Leave it for a month and it will still be fresh and not black. Hello and welcome to my channel. Many people buy bananas at home, obviously looking golden and fresh. Leave it for one night. The skin turns black and has long spots, soft and rotten the next day. Can't hold it at all. First, we understand why. Bananas at home are particularly prone to blackening. All bananas on the market, they are all 5 mature and picked in advance. Because bananas ripen extremely quickly. If you wait until it's fully ripe before picking, a light touch on the transportation road will hurt and rot. There's no way to transport long distances, so the fruit farmers are picking green fruits. After shipping to the market, the vendors will spray ethylene ripening agent uniformly, quickly urge the banana to yellow and sell well. Banana sprayed with ripening potion. Looking golden and beautiful. In fact, it is very intolerant, and during the ripening process of the banana itself, the root of the stalk will continue to release ethylene gas, self-accelerating ripening. The more you put it, the more ripe it is. The more ripe, the darker. This is the real reason why bananas at home turn black overnight. So I want bananas to be fresh for a long time without turning black. There is only one thing at the core. Remove residual ripening agent. Block ethylene release. We prepare a basin of water. Add a little food baking soda. Stir well to melt. Baking soda is weakly alkaline, just enough to neutralize and decompose the surface of the banana. Residual weak acidic ethylene ripening agent. Put the whole bunch of bananas in the water. Soak the whole root for 1 minute. Gently scrub the banana skin with your hands. Banana handle gap position. Every corner is scrubbed in place. A lot of residual potions, it's all hidden in the lines of the peel and the gaps in the stalk. Be sure to clean it up. After soaking, remove it. Rinse off the decomposed potion with flowing water. Finally, be sure to use dry paper towels or dry the banana skin thoroughly with a towel to dry. In this way, there is no drug residue on the epidermis. Inanimate moisture, delay oxidation and blackening from the root cause, does not breed mold bacteria. Put it at room temperature. It's still golden and translucent for 2 or 3 days. No black spots at all. Washed and dried bananas can be placed directly upside down. Lots of people lay bananas flat. The pulp is close to the table. Compression site cell damage. It is easiest to turn black and soft first. Upside down, the pulp is suspended without extrusion, ventilation and breathability without water vapor accumulation. The fresh keeping time is directly doubled. I want to keep it longer. Take half a month. Not bad for a month. Everyone must take this step. Remember, the root of the banana stalk first is the heaviest spray, the location where ethylene is released the most. It is also the first place to age and turn black. We gently use a clean knife. Peel off a small section of banana root. Don't cut too much. Just flatten the root incision. Directly cut off the heaviest residual portion, the old stalk that releases the strongest ripening gas. Completely cut off the source of banana self-ripening. After cutting, wrap the entire banana root tightly with plastic wrap. Wrapped tightly without leaving gaps. It's super powerful. Seal the incision. Completely block the emission of ethylene gas. It doesn't ripen. They don't ripen each other. Block airborne bacteria. The roots will not be moldy and the water will rot. Lock the moisture inside the banana. The pulp will not make noodles. It doesn't age. After this step, bananas can be easily stored for more than 10 days. No black, no soft. There is also one that is closest to nature, preservation method of growth state. Want to keep it for the longest time? No crushing at all. The last step must be done. Let's find a rope hook. String the whole bunch of bananas. Then hang in a cool and ventilated position. What about the advantage of hanging storage? Very obvious. The whole banana is completely suspended, without any extrusion. If there is no pressure damage, it will not oxidize and turn black. Ventilation. Airflow surface. Not stuffy and humid, does not cover mold, simulate the natural growth state of the tree. Stop accelerated aging. Slow preservation. Lock in the fresh taste to the greatest extent. We take one off. The remaining whole string will continue to be hung and stored. It will not affect the freshness of bananas at all. The way to use it in this way is the same as, it's like picking fresh fruit on the tree. Take it off. Full of original ecological fresh experience. Hanging bananas can be stored stably for 1 month. Epidermis golden yellow. The pulp is full and sweet. No hollow, no face. So let me just remind you, bananas should never be kept in the refrigerator. Many people feel that keeping it fresh in the refrigerator. You're wrong. Bananas are tropical fruits, extremely afraid of cold. Low temperature in the refrigerator will directly frostbite banana peel cells, cause low temperature oxidation, a large area of black immediately after a few hours, and the flesh of the banana after frostbite is stiff, sour taste. It will also rot and deteriorate rapidly. It's not worth the price. The best storage temperature for bananas is room temperature in a cool and ventilated place. Never refrigerate. Bananas turn black easily. I didn't buy the wrong one. The preservation method is wrong. Baking soda to remove residues. Small root sealing ethylene. Hanging without extrusion. Resolutely do not enter the refrigerator. Do these first steps well. Bananas at home. Eat as you like. Give it a month. Fresh as ever. It will never rot overnight again. I really want to know where you are from in front of the screen. Welcome to leave a message and share in the comment area. Today's fresh keeping tips are shared here. Simple, practical and cost-effective. If my sharing is helpful to you, click the subscribe button. There will be more practical tips waiting for you to unlock in the future. I am Yang Yang. See you next time.